Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Dive into laser hair removal close-up for smooth, lasting results. Laser hair removal process, how beams target follicles for permanent reduction. Close-up laser hair removal, zoom in on precision hair zapping action. Laser hair removal slow motion, watch follicles vanish in stunning detail. At-home laser hair removal, best devices for safe, effective treatments. DIY laser hair removal, clean skin, patch test, and avoid tanning. Laser hair removal tutorial, step-by-step guide to master the process. Laser hair removal procedure, what happens during professional or home sessions. Laser hair removal before-after, dramatic transformations showcase smooth, hair-free skin. Laser hair removal results, long-lasting smoothness boosts confidence and saves time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Click the link in description for more details.